So a few days ago, I entered a TikTok that was discussing trans rights. And I asked a few questions that caused the community to totally lose their shit. And I wanted to put those out to you because these are questions that they can't answer. And they're very logical questions that show the mental health abuse of their construct. And if they're abusing adults like this because adults dare ask questions, they're going to also be abusing children if children dare ask these questions. And the children are the weak ones. And they're saying children have rights. I say children have a right to not be mentally abused by a construct that cannot sustain being questioned. And they're going to come back and say that you're an idiot just for asking these, but you're just asking the questions. Then really what it's going to do is show the manipulative, hateful, and violent nature of the community, because these are questions that really need to be answered. If they're going to force this on your kids, our kids, and they're going to claim this as a rightful place in society, these questions need to be answered. So let me give you those questions. What other species has surgical gender reassignment? Now, what they're going to do is come back and say things like, this question is stupid and you are a hateful person. They're going to immediately fly into gaslighting mode. They're going to immediately proceed to call you crazy and cast aspersions upon you in a form of misdirection to get you to question your own reality. Another thing that they will try to do is bring up different types of species that do change sex or gender automatically as a part of their biological makeup. It's not surgical gender reassignment, though. It's not artificial. And they'll try to bring this up as if it's natural, which it's not. Another thing they will do is to say that we use surgery to correct disease and health issues in animals. And so that begs the question, is surgical gender reassignment correcting a disease or a health issue in a human? They can't answer that. Another ploy that they will come on with is, and this is actually a trans person, it's a man posing as a woman. Do you oppose all cosmetic surgery, or is it just when it's related to trans people? And so I said, and this is how you ask them a question that's going to drive them batshit crazy. If it's just cosmetic, why expect preferred pronoun usage to occur? Of course, that brought out more gaslighting and you're so stupid. This is the only response they know how to give back. When they can't answer a question, they start gaslighting. This is their customary, unusual response. The number one question, though, that I've asked that just cannot be answered is, when exactly does the DNA transition? This is something that yields this answer. I am not really a Elon Musk fan, although he does have some interesting takes on things. And this next clip is spot on, because actually what's going on with the woke community, it's an excuse for people who are mean to be mean. And they cloak themselves in a shield of alleged virtue. And all you really have to do to expose their meanness is to ask them the questions that they can't answer, and immediately they're going to start gaslighting you and abusing you. So this is what this video is about.
At its heart, wokeness is divisive, exclusionary, and hateful. It basically gives mean people a reason. It gives them a shield to be mean and cruel, armored in false virtue.